Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to test the temperature selector on an electric GE dryer that's not heating. The temperature selector allows you to adjust the drying temperature for different fabrics and load sizes so you can get your laundry done in the most efficient way. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today, we'll need a multimeter and a Torx 20 driver. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. Now we're going to use our Torx 20 driver to remove the mounting screws along the top of the console and rotate the console forward. On this specific model, the temperature selector can be used to test not just the selector, but also the thermostats. We need to set the selector to cotton or high heat, then remove the orange wire at terminal 16 and the blue wire at terminal 8. Now we can use our meter probes to test from the orange wire at terminal 15 to empty terminal 16. There should be continuity here, so your meter will probably beep. You shouldn't be getting continuity at any other terminal at this point. If you have continuity from terminal 15 to 16, then we can set the selector to delicates or low heat. Now we can test from terminal 6 to the yellow wire at terminal 7. If there's continuity here, that means the selector switch is good and something else is preventing the dryer from heating. If there's no continuity, then you'll need to replace the temperature selector. To put the dryer back together, rotate the console to the back panel. Now we'll secure it with the Torx 20 screws and we're done. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. If your temperature selector is good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what might be preventing your dryer from heating. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose your appliances and make repairs. If your temperature selector is bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments below. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.